In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shoot with a gun. So this is the game I already have. I have shooting. My player can move around and shoot the enemies, and that's it. So I'm going to show you how to shoot with the gun. So these are my codes for now. Very simple code. So at first we need a gun sprite, and I'm just going to use very simple sprites for this, and I will just change the size of it and fill in the color I want. Okay. Change the origin to middle left. Okay. And just fill in it with a color. And now we have our sprites, and let's create an object and call it obj gun and assign it the sprite we just made. Okay, and in the create event we don't have anything yet, and in step event we need to say x equals obj player dot x and y equals obj player dot y. We are doing this because we want the gun to be at where our player is at, or else it's going to be somewhere different from the player. And I will put a description on top. Okay, so second we need the rotation. So we can just say image angle equals point direction x, y, and mouse x, mouse y. So now our gun will rotate with the mouse. So let me drag in gun sprite. Okay. Now let's run the game and see how it works. Okay, so now our gun can rotate and we can move, and the gun will stay with the player's object. But here's the problem. When we shoot, you can notice that the bullet is coming out from the middle, not from the tip of the gun where it's supposed to come out. So we need to fix that. To do this, we need a function called length dirt. And I put it in the description. So length dirt returns the horizontal x component of the vector determined by the indicated length and direction. So here we need to make some changes to our code. So I will put the shoot function inside my gun, so I don't need to shoot from the player anymore. So I will copy and paste the code, copy the code to the gun. And here we, since the variable is an instance variable, we need to also copy this to the gun object. So now in create. So now we have the same code as before, but we still have to make some changes. And we need to use length dir function. We can just add length dir, and there's a description below. Length on, I'm going to use 64, and direction is just image angle, and do the same thing for y. The difference here is that for y it's length dir underscore y instead of underscore x, so be careful when doing this. And I'm also going to do 64 and image angle. Okay, now we have our code ready, so let's try. Okay, we can move around, the gun will rotate, and now when we shoot, the bullets are coming out from the tip of the gun, not from the center. Okay, and that's it for the tutorial, and thank you for watching.